Here I have Xiaomi Redmi K30S, and today I'm going to show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first you have to open your browser, which you normally use, then tap here, go to history, then tap clear browsing data. Then you have to select the time period for which you can want to delete your history. It could be last hour, last day, last week, last month, or all time. Then you have to select data formats which you want to delete. It could be browsing history, cookies and site data, cached images and files, saved passwords, autofill form data, and site settings. You can select all of this. You can select what you want to delete. You can select you don't have to select what you don't want to delete, and then you just tap clear data and the history will be cleared. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.